Good afternoon, everyone. We were studying the chapter manufacturing industries. We have studied about agro-based industries. We have studied about mineral-based industries. Today, we would study about fertilizer industry. Fertilizer industry, actually the chemical industries, they provide base for the fertilizer industries. The chemicals which are produced by different chemical industries is used by fertilizer industries for its manufacturing. And if we talk about the main fertilizers that we produce, they are mainly nitrogenous fertilizers, phosphatic fertilizers, and ammonium phosphate. These are the main fertilizers which we produce. And at the same time, we also produce complex fertilizers that include nitrogen, phosphate, and potash. They are used for the making of complex fertilizers. If I talk about potash, we do not have a valuable reserve of potash in our country. So therefore, most of the potash that we use for the making of fertilizer industry is imported. And this industry received a major boost, especially after the Green Revolution. After independence, our government made efforts to improve the production of crops in our country, especially wheat and rice. With this started the Green Revolution. Under Green Revolution, we used various modern farming methods, and using fertilizer is one of the modern farming methods. The more agriculture developed, the more we were able to produce more and more fertilizers, because the primary sector, which includes agriculture, it provided a vast market for the fertilizer industry. So this industry flourished after the coming of Green Revolution, which created more and more demands of the fertilizers. So you can see in the picture, these are the different type of crops, the fertilizers that we produce. We produce ammonia, diammonium phosphate, and also complex fertilizers that include nitrogen, phosphate, and potash. Potash, you can see the picture of potash. We import it from other countries. So now we would study about next important industry of India, that is cement industry. Now, cement, it is a very essential product that we use in various construction activities. All the construction work is done by using cement. As you can see on the screen, this cement is used for a variety of construction work. It is used for the construction of buildings. It is used for the construction of factories, for the construction of bridges. We make roads by using cement, for the construction of dams. So it is used in varieties of construction work. Hence, it is an important product that is produced and consumed in our country. Cement require some bulky raw materials for its making. It requires limestone, silica, aluminium, and gypsum. These are the raw material which we use for making cement. Beside this, coal and electric supply are needed apart from rail transportation. So beside these raw material, we also require a regular supply of power and good efficient transport facility for the working of this industry. Then cement industry, our cement industry, it has great demand in East Asia, Middle East, Africa, and South Asia. We are able to produce good quality of cement. We are not only utilizing cement in our country, but also we are exporting it to other countries. And our cement industry, it has great demand in Gulf countries like Iran, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, etc. Today also, although we are self-sufficient in this industry, we are producing enough for ourselves and for exporting, but at the same time, we are making more and more efforts so that the domestic demand, the demand for this cement, the demand for cement within the country is more and more. We are trying to generate more demand for cement in our country so that this industry can sustain. So this is all about your cement industry.